Hello garden enthusiasts, are you ready to elevate your gardening game in 2025? Today I'm exploring 5 exciting gardening trends that will make your outdoor space more sustainable, productive and stunning than ever. Let's dig in. Trend #1, the seed snail method. Short on space, but eager to grow your own plants? Meet This clever technique involves rolling seeds and soil in a biodegradable wrap, creating a compact, self-contained system that promotes strong root growth and simplifies watering. It's perfect for urban gardeners or anyone looking for a hassle-free way to start their plants. Trend #2, modern meadow gardens. Say goodbye to perfectly manicured lawns and hello to thee. This trend embraces the beauty of wildflowers, native grasses and perennials to create a natural, low-maintenance landscape. Not only does it look stunning, but it also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making your garden a buzzing ecosystem. Trend #3, perennial vegetables for year-round harvest. Why replant every year when you can grow vegetables that come back season after season? Like asparagus, rhubarb and artichokes are a gardener's dream. They require less maintenance, improve soil health and provide a reliable harvest year after year. It's a sustainable way to grow your own food. Trend #4, living fences, eco-friendly boundaries. Tired of plain wooden fences? Are the future of garden boundaries. Using shrubs, hedges or climbing vines, you can create a natural privacy screen that's both beautiful and functional. These green barriers provide shade, reduce noise and offer a habitat for birds and pollinators. Plus they look absolutely gorgeous. Trend #5, native plants for a thriving garden. Want a garden that practically takes care of itself? Are the way to go. These plants are perfectly adapted to your local climate, meaning they need less water, fewer fertilizers, and minimal maintenance. They also support local wildlife and pollinators, turning your garden into an eco-friendly sanctuary. Think black-eyed Susans, milkweed, or serviceberry if you're in Virginia. There you have it, 5 gardening trends that are shaping 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one.